Here's a bit of a fun fact for you. The actor who played this character, Ra's al Ghul, in the Batman Returns film, I've actually opened a figure of him in a previous episode of Vintage Toy Freedom. Hopefully you've watched the now classic Star Wars Episode 1 Qui-Gon Jinn and Jar Jar Binks 2-pack. That was a fun one. But that's Liam Neeson. He played Ra's al Ghul and he played Qui-Gon Jinn, and he's obviously in a bunch of other movies. He's also in the memes too. The I will find you and I will fill in the blank memes. But this one's pretty cool. Adventures of Batman and Robin, obviously a very popular cartoon. It was a pretty cool cartoon. If you were a kid in the 90s, you definitely watched that. This is from 1995. It's made by Kenner, but you can see they were owned by Tonka, a subsidiary of Hasbro in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. So we have Kenner, Tonka, and Hasbro, three toy companies going on there. So a lot of buying and merging and things like that. Obviously, they made a lot of weird Batman figures. Also some weird Robin figures there. You got Bolo Trap Robin. The Bane figure, you see that a lot. He's pretty cool. He pops up a lot. Yeah, some of these are just kind of weird, like an ice camo and a red and black camo. I don't know what that would camouflage you, what kind of environment that would be in. You got this wild motorcycle. It's the mid-90s, so you got some weird stuff going on. But this Ra's al Ghul figure, I mean, he's alright. He's got some weird armor. I mean, it's not really what he looks like in the comics. But he has a strike shooter and a combat sword. The sword makes sense. And I guess the mask, he's got kind of that, kind of Chinese devil thing, or Tibetan, or wherever he's from. Does it say on the back? No, there's no info. Just instructions on how to place a mask over his head in case you're an idiot and don't know how to do that. You see the price tag here at Walmart, $5.76, an odd number. I actually got this for less than that in 2017, so here we are, 22 years later. Had to do a little bit of math in my head. I can't use my calculator and record a video at the same time. But Ra's al Ghul, he's been trapped in this cell for 22 years. He's ready to break free and terrorize Batman and Robin and do some evil. This is kind of a cool looking figure. I mean, I think that's a good sculpt. Cracking some plastic here. It's weird. It looks like in the video, it looks like his shoulder pads and like his gauntlets are more of a yellow, and this is more of a orangish, but it's not. Like in real life, they're the exact same color, so it's kind of weird how that's showing in the video. I don't know why. Anyhow, camera tricks, I guess. Alright, so here we got his helmet. The helmet's kind of rubbery. I wasn't expecting that. I thought it would be like a hard plastic, but probably makes it easier to put on his head. And it's kind of weird, it doesn't match. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. I got a sword, not just any sword, a combat sword, as opposed to the practice swords. And this is his strike shooter. That's kind of a odd nomenclature. Let's see how well this strike shooter shoots. I don't think it's going to shoot too well. No, it's not too bad. No, it's not too bad at all. I don't know if he usually has a strike shooter in the comics. I don't think so. I never really watched the cartoon much. I don't know why. I think I was kind of getting out of that stuff at that point. So I don't like when figures can't, like, see right there. He can't do that because the weapon is too heavy. It's going to make him fall over. Sorry, probably giving me a headache while I was shaking. Yeah, like there's no way he can stand like that. Now he can use it to kind of brace himself, but I don't know, like that. Somebody obviously is holding. I also like how it shows you where the firing button are. I mean, you have to really be a big dum-dum if you can't see that big red switch and understand that that's how you shoot. But I don't know. I think it's cool. I would take this guy off, and I might even take the helmet off. And there, you know, you got a decent looking figure. It might work with your King Arthur on Knights of the Round Table. It's kind of like an evil Merlin or something like that. But there you have it, Ra's al Ghul, The Adventures of Batman and Robin, 1995, Kenner Tonka Hasbro. And yeah, you can search out villains on land, sea, or air with the Batman Crime Squad. So Batman's going to go and deliver some justice.